This beautiful cat was happily jogging when she saw a poor kitten wandering around in the rain. The cat is truly a beautiful and kind person when he took the poor kitten home to take care of him. Wow! Not only that, the beautiful cat also adopted many other homeless kittens. Next morning, the beautiful cat went jogging when a monkey came to meet her. The beautiful cat seems to dislike this sassy monkey. Oh my God! The sassy monkey still clings to the beautiful cat and is still teasing her.
Keep your distance from me, monkey.
3 days later. Oh no! The sassy monkey has broken into the beautiful cat's house. 'The sassy monkey has kidnapped all the kittens and put them on a helicopter. The beautiful cat even knelt down and asked the monkey to spare the kittens. Oh my God! The monkey is so cruel. He drops all the kittens from the helicopter above to the ground. Even though they were taken to the hospital, all the kittens did not survive. Hey, why did the beautiful cat approach the monkey and even hug it? It turns out the beautiful cat approached the monkey to lure him into the hotel and make him pay.
Oh no, what's going on here?
Let go, let go.
The evil monkey has paid the price for his evil deeds. Go in peace, kittens. Wow, look at that beautiful girl cat. This beautiful cat girl was enjoying flowers when a black cat noticed her. Oh my God! The cunning black cat came close and harassed the beautiful girl cat. This policeman happened to be passing by and saw everything.
Help me! There's a pervert touching me.
Stop. Pervert, stop now.
This is my phone number. Let's get acquainted, policeman.
I will come back for revenge.
3 years later. Wow! The cat cop and the beautiful girl cat are happily married. Oh my God! The perverted cat from years ago is back with revenge, with a missile in hand. Oh my God! The maiden bride cat tripped and fell while running away.
Please save me.
White cat did not have time to run away and was injured by the fire.
Oh my my god, my wife! Someone save her!
Wife cat has been taken to the hospital. I hope she's okay. The husband cat seemed to have completely collapsed when he heard that his wife cat had passed away. Husband cat drinks a lot of alcohol and gives himself up.
Oh, who abandoned this cute kitten here?
The husband cat is happy again since adopting the kitten. 5 years later. Oh my god, the evil black cat is back.
Oh no, please don't arrest me.
The evil black cat kidnapped the kitten and demanded 100 million in rat money.
Everyone follow me. Attack. The police cat has a very happy family. His mission today is to capture the monkey leader of the evil terrorist group. This is the monkey leader of the terrorist group, and they are planning to destroy the city. Policemen preparing to arrest this group of terrorist monkeys. Monkey escaped and even left a warning on the door of the police headquarters. Oh no! The terrorist monkey took revenge on the cat police by coming to the house and taking away his baby.
The police are coming. Run quickly.
And had to pay the price for his evil actions. My condolences to the police cat family.
Oh no!
From then on, the kitten was determined to catch the motorbike driver. 10 years later, the kitten is now a brave police officer. And the insolent cat who used to drive a motorbike become a bank robber. Who caused his mother's accident. In the end, the evil motorbike racing cat paid the price for his crimes.
Oh my God, the train is passing by. Stop, stop!
The cat couple kept focusing on arguing without worrying about driving. So they crashed straight into the train, injuring both of them.
Hello, call me an ambulance immediately. My wife is injured.
Even though the white cat was taken to the hospital, but its wound is very serious and its eyes can no longer see. The black cat visited his wife right after being bandaged. And in this moment, it remembers the beautiful memories of both of them.
Honey, why can't my eyes see?
Don't worry, your eyes will be bright again.
Oh no! The husband cat decided to donate his eyes to his wife. The surgery will make the husband cat blind, but in return, the wife cat will have her eyesight back.
Wow, my eyes are bright again.
Immediately after regaining her sight, the wife cat called the husband cat, but the doctor informed him that the husband cat had passed away. While traveling, the cat's wife saw her blind husband's cat walking on the beach. The two cat couple were moved and hugged each other happily. While the pair of cats argue fiercely, the white cat accidentally spilled coffee on the gray cat. The girl cat couldn't hold back her anger and punched her lover in the face.
All right, I lost. You won. I'm leaving.
After arguing for a while, the couple went their separate ways, even though they still loved each other. The beautiful cat was sitting sadly in a bar when a dog came to chat and get to know her. The dog comforted the beautiful cat and asked her to go to the toilet to wash her face. The cunning dog put some medicine in the glass of wine and enticed the beautiful cat to drink it. The beautiful cat was easily led away by the dog after drinking a glass of drugged wine. The cat's boyfriend worriedly called the beautiful cat and went to look for her when it was almost dawn and she still hadn't returned. The beautiful cat was helplessly crying on the bed when the dog tried to inject some medicine into her. The white cat found the beautiful girl cat lying in the middle of the road in the pouring rain. The wretched dog even stayed to annoy the white cat. The beautiful cat couldn't bear it anymore and fainted. The white cat hugged her and screamed in pain under the pouring rain.
Honey, hang in there. The ambulance will come soon. That wretched dog, wait for me. You will suffer the consequences.
The white cat is determined to avenge his girlfriend, so he practices martial arts and calls his jaguar friend to help.
Don't worry, I will help you.
When the evil dog was drinking in the bar, the white cat appeared behind it. The wretched dog in the face, put it in the trunk of the car, and drove it out of the city.
Great job, man.
This time the dog woke up in pain and screamed in panic when he found himself in a cemetery. Wow! Now the cruel dog lies in a hole in the ground and suffers the consequences for his cruel behavior.
Thank you so much, Jaguar.
1 week later, the beautiful girl cat has woken up and is starting to get better. The cat couple can be happy together again. The kitten family is happily playing games and enjoying their days living happily together. The kitten's parents were preparing to cook, but did not notice the two kittens playing with fire. Oh my God! The two kittens were so busy playing soccer that they forgot to turn off the fire. The kitten's parents are in the kitchen on fire, but they did not run away immediately, but searched for their two children. Oh my God! The cat couple kept looking for the kitten, so they couldn't escape the fiercely burning kitchen in time. The two kittens returned home and saw that the house was on fire, so they quickly ran to call someone to save their parents. Although the fire brigade quickly extinguished the fire, the cat couple was severely burned by the fire and lay on the kitchen floor. The two kittens were very sad when they became orphans and always missed their parents. This pair of cats has been constantly arguing with each other since they were babies until they were adults. Even after getting married, the cat couple still couldn't stop arguing. Even when the cat's wife was pregnant, the couple continued to fight non-stop. Oh my God, the wife cat was injured. The cat couple was immediately taken to the hospital. The husband cat is sitting outside the emergency room crying and waiting for the results.
Condolences with you. She did not survive.
cats to give birth to adorable kittens, but she is gone forever! Love your important people while you still can! The kitten is very happy because his police dad is taking him for a walk and shopping.
Shh! Don't make a sound, kitten.
Be careful, Dad.
That robber mouse. Stop it now. Lie still, you evil mouse.
Oh my god, there's still a mouse robber behind the police cat.
Yeah, be careful behind you, Dad. Dad, don't leave me, Dad.
Oh no, that brave police cat died trying to catch a vicious mouse. The kitten saw the police recruitment notice. From then on, he was determined to become a police officer to avenge his father cat. Wow! After so much effort, the kitten has put on that beautiful police uniform. Oh no, does the kitten plan to become a police officer like his father?
That damn mouse. Stop immediately.
No. Stop it. I surrender.
The police cat remembered, this is the wretched mouse that killed his father.
You must suffer the consequences of what you have done, you wretched mouse.
Daddy.
The police cat didn't have the heart to shoot the mouse when he saw the baby mouse crying.
Huh, I forgave you, but you threatened me with a knife, mouse.
Wow, the policeman is so brave. I'm coming, baby.
Introduced to Mom. This is my love.
Wow, the beautiful girl cat and the brave policeman fell in love. Oh no! This beautiful woman abandoned her two kittens in the cold rain. The two kittens were very sad when they realized they had been abandoned. The two kittens started thinking about picking up scraps and bottles to make a living. The two have gradually gotten used to life on the street and are living happily together. This kind person gave the white cat food, and the white cat was crossing the street, happily sharing it with the black cat. Oh my god! The car was going too fast and crashed straight into the white cat, seriously injuring it.
White cat, wait for me. I'll go call for help right away.
Someone nearby called an ambulance to help the white cat. The black cat cried a lot while waiting for the white cat in the operating room. The black cat was even more shocked when he heard that the hospital bill was up to $10,000 while he was out of money. But when he saw the white cat still in a coma, the black cat loved him very much and started working hard. Our hard-working black cat does a lot of hard work just to save money to pay for the white cat's hospital bills. It's very sunny today, and the black cat has to go to many places to deliver enough newspapers to make as much money as possible. When the black cat delivered newspapers at the big villa on the hill, he was so tired that he fainted.
Oh no, why did this kitten faint in front of my house like this?
The The black cat woke up startled, not understanding what was going on when he saw the rich man in front of him. It turned out that this rich man was kind and intended to adopt and take care of this black cat. But while the rich man was sleeping, the kitten ransacked the safe, stole his money, and then ran away. Oh, so the kitten brought this money to pay the white cat's hospital fees. The rich man woke up and did not see the black cat. He was very shocked when he saw that the iron bar had lost all his money. The angry rich man went looking for the black cat, but was relieved when he heard the black cat talk about his white cat friend. And the white cat in the wheelchair also asked for forgiveness for the black cat. In the end, both the kittens and the rich man were happy, as he adopted both obedient kittens.
Kittens eat a lot. Hey, kitten. Come here, Mom have a surprise gift for you.
Wow, the bike is amazing, Mom.
The kitten really liked the bike his mother gave him, and he learned to ride it very quickly.
Hey, kitten, let's ride a bike to buy milk and eggs.
Please sell me eggs and milk.
Oh my God, this black cat was very sleepy, but he still tried to drive. Oh no, the black cat was driving a truck and fell asleep, causing an accident for the kitten.
Oh no, what did I do this?
Save me, Uncle.
Run quickly before the police come.
Oh no, the black cat that caused the accident ran away, leaving the injured kitten alone.
Kitty, don't leave Mom.
The mother cat quickly carried the kitten to the hospital, but the kitten did not survive. Goodbye, poor kitten. The mother cat searched for cameras along the road to find pictures of the culprit who caused her kitten's accident. The police quickly went to the residence and took away the evil black cat.
Wow, going to school is great. Hello, friends.
The kitten happily greeted his classmates on the first day of school. But you make fun of kittens because kittens are poor. And this is the kitten dad. He has to pick up trash but still tries to send the kitten to school. Oh, it turns out Dad Cat came up with a game of buying lottery tickets to get rich.
Oh my God, I really won the lottery.
Dad Cat has received a lot of money, but kittens are still being bullied at school. Wow! It turned out that it was a luxury car that the father cat had just bought, and he came to pick up the kitten after school. The kitten was even more surprised surprised when his father gave him a huge mansion. The two cats are very happy and live happily together. Today, the father cat went to the stands to fight boxing with the mouse. Cat's father fought well, so he quickly took advantage. Rat injected with stimulant and attacked Cat. The mouse played dirty, so he won and severely injured the cat. Father cat was taken to the hospital, leaving the daughter cat crying alone. The kitten is determined to practice hard every day to avenge his father. 3 years later, the kitten is now a beautiful and strong boxing cat. With strength and determination to avenge her father, the beautiful cat strongly defeated the mouse.